Hello everyone, welcome back with the Fusion 360 basic tutorial how to save as objects into STL extension files. Okay, for example, I will create a simple sketch. We can create rectangle, and I will use extrude tools to convert these rectangle objects into 3D models. Okay, now before we change these files into STL, we need to save first these objects. You can click here to save, and I will set it into example. You can click save. The next, make sure you working in online. Okay, working online, and to change into STL, you can click files, go to export. The next, I will set the name in here example1. This okay. And I will change type into STL file. You can click here STL file, and then you can set your current location for save as this file. You can click export, so it will be showing the job status dialog box, and you can see status in here to converting from Fusion 360 file into example version 1 STL. You can see status at this point. You also can see in generated scenes or simulation. Okay, enough today for Fusion 360 basic tutorial how to save as objects into STL extension file. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.